right. We are still looking at the fireworks here coming from 2025. Let's go. Woo! Wow! Woo! Look at all those pretty fireworks though. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Oh yeah. It's 4th of July. We're looking at the fireworks show. We getting it out here. Let's go. Woo! I'm going to post this after we're done. This is the fireworks show. It's going to be on the YouTube channel as soon as we're done posting this. Happy 4th of July to all out there. As we record these fireworks right now, we are getting it on with this fireworks show 2025. Let's go! Woo! Every single firework, I see every single one. Every single one of them. Look at all those fireworks though. Look at all those fireworks though. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! They look pretty as well. This is how 4th of July is supposed to go. We're supposed to look at the fireworks every single time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're supposed to have a fireworks show on the 2025 4th of July. We got more coming. So, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fireworks here. Fireworks show. Woo! Look at all the fireworks. Whoa! Happy 4th of July to everyone out there. We are having the fireworks show of 2025 out here right now. I'm recording the fireworks via YouTube, and I'm going to post this on the channel afterwards. After I show some fireworks here, we're going to post this on the channel. So, we are doing the fireworks show right now. I am loving the fireworks right now that are showing on the screen right now. We're getting more and more fireworks every single minute, every single second, every single hour, every single minute, every single time on this 4th of July night. Let's go! Alright, I see the pretty fireworks though. Let's go! We're going to catch a little bit of these for 4th of July because 4th of July is a holiday to see the fireworks on here. So I'm going to record some fireworks and then post it on the channel after we're done. I cannot wait because, well, this is 4th of July. How can I not show y'all fireworks? Because 4th of July is for one purpose. First, well, having the most fun you possibly can in the morning. And then in the night, the fireworks start to come and it starts to become the best holiday of the century of 2025. Or 2026, or any year 4th of July comes on. So this is what we usually do. I usually do the light show on Christmas. So the Christmas light shows I usually do on those holidays. But this is 4th of July, so we're doing fireworks shows. This is my first fireworks show, recording it from actual YouTube. I usually am recording it from somewhere else, but this time we're recording it from YouTube. I found some fireworks on the YouTube app here, and I'm going to record them for you and post them on the channel. But since we are catching all the fireworks here, I see more and more fireworks coming each second. Whoa! Woo! Well, so this is a really good 4th of July here. I'm catching all the fireworks that I possibly can catch. These fireworks here, it's really, really nice to see the fireworks right now. This is a YouTube video, by the way, that I'm recording the fireworks through. Like I said, this is my first time recording the fireworks through YouTube. An actual YouTube video. The Christmas light shows will be recorded on this channel as well. I'll post them on this channel as well, but this time we're doing fireworks. I posted a fireworks show last year, but this year I'm posting a fireworks show from the fireworks being on an actual YouTube video. And these fireworks look absolutely amazing. We are getting it on this 4th of July, and I cannot wait to post this on the YouTube channel and let y'all see the beautiful fireworks that we are catching here. So, well, 4th of July is one of my favorite holidays to record fireworks on. I do a lot more recordings, well, not recordings, edits on my channel. If y'all haven't seen, I posted a Sky Manifest edit just a second ago on the YouTube channel, if y'all want to check that out. Posted some edits on the channel a few days ago during the week, so I've been posting on this channel a lot throughout the week. But now we're doing the fireworks show on YouTube as well, because I love to see fireworks on 4th of July, and especially because I always do the fireworks show on 4th of July and post them on the channel. We're doing that right here, right now. So as we can see right now, there's some fireworks showing. It is 4th of July, so why not have the fireworks showing right now? There's some pretty fireworks blowing everywhere. I see them everywhere. Look at the fireworks though. This is 4th of July. We are getting it here on the channel with 4th of July fireworks. Oh yeah. Let's go. Now, I will show the fireworks. I will record a little bit more of the fireworks here, and then I'm going to post it on the channel. But, look at all those pretty fireworks, though. Oh, wow. That was a big firework. Whoa. That was real. That was really big. Whoa. Whoa. What is happening? That looks really big. Cool. Whoa. All those fireworks look really pretty and really cool. I'm gonna do these 4th of July recordings every 4th of July. I did one last year, I'm doing one this year, and I'm going to do one every single other year, including with the Christmas light shows. I'm doing Christmas light show this coming December. Of course, on Christmas light shows, I record every single light that counts, but on 4th of July fireworks shows, we record every firework that counts. So, here we go. This firework that I see right now is really big and beautiful. We see more fireworks coming here. Whoa! Those look amazing! Those fireworks look so awesome and amazing. Whoa! Now that is an amazing sight to see. Look at that! Look at that! Whoa! That is a really, really, really big firework. That's amazing. Whoa! Wow! Yeah, it's really good. A fireworks show to be seen for 4th of July. Like I said, I'm doing this through a YouTube video. This is my first ever screen recording of a fireworks show. But it looks really good. I love the fireworks so far. They look really, really pretty and wonderful and cool. This is for 4th of July, and I'll be doing more of these recordings. I'll be recording the Christmas light show on here as well, on this channel. I'll be posting that in December. I'll be posting edits as well on the channel as well. You'll be seeing some sky edits. Recently I did a sky edit with Don't Understand It, Eyes on Me, and What You Want. Those are 3 popular songs from the artist Asteria. And those edits are up on the channel if y'all want to go check them out. And I also have Among Us edits on this channel as well, and Among Us load songs and all that stuff on here. So if you guys want to see more Among Us and more Christmas light shows and fireworks shows, let me know and I will post them. But for 4th of July and for holidays, we're doing the light show for Christmas and the fireworks show on 4th of July. And then on other days, you'll see edits from here and there, some Among Us content. And I know some of you guys wanted to see more Among Us gameplays on this channel, so I'm going to be posting more of those soon. But I mostly stick to my edits, so I'll be cool to see more edits popping out. And whoa, this firework looks amazing! Oh my goodness! Whoa, that looks really cool! There's so many fireworks right now, it's literally getting it! We are looking at every firework. We are not stopping until the show is over. It's 4th of July. We are getting it with the fireworks show on this YouTube channel. Bringing the fireworks from a YouTube channel that's on YouTube. I'm doing a fireworks show screen recording. But even though it's on YouTube, even though it's a screen recording, it's still super amazing. Fireworks are always super good to see on 4th of July and everything. So this is a great sight to see here. I am going to post this on the channel. Wow, look at all those fireworks! Woo! Alright, whoa! So many fireworks! It's crazy! Whoa! Oh my goodness, there's so many! Look at that! Look at all those fireworks! Whoa! That's very, very cool! Alright, wow! I love doing this on 4th of July. Fireworks are always so cool to see on the 4th of July. Oh my goodness, yes! Woo! Look at all those fireworks! Whoa! Whoa! That looks so cool! Oh yeah, they're playing some, I think they're playing some music in the background of the fireworks. Yep, they are. They're playing some music while the fireworks are going on. They're doing 4th of July fireworks. They're playing some music. And by the way, this is a YouTube video with all the fireworks on it from, 4th of July and everything, so. Alright, they're playing some music in the background because of the fireworks and it being 4th of July and everything. We're going to let it play some more fireworks. We're going to wrap up here in a minute here. We're going to let these last few fireworks play and then I'm going to post these on the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright, whoa. Those fireworks look super cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks show. This has been a great 4th of July coming to you from the YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I have some Among Us content on this channel if you guys want to check that out. I've got some Sky edits coming soon, so be sure to check those out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like fireworks shows and Christmas light shows, make sure to stay tuned because we've got more coming out soon next year. Next year we got the fireworks show, 4th of July, and this December we got the Christmas light show of 2025. So this has been an amazing recording of fireworks. Again, happy 4th of July. Make sure you guys check out the videos that are on my channel. Like I said, I just posted some Sky edits a few days ago and one today for 4th of July special. Make sure you guys check those out. Check out the videos, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see y'all later.